Right, in today's video, we're going to take a look at how you can use a multimeter to test components such as a fuse. And in order to do this, we're going to switch over to the overhead camera. So here we have the multimeter, and in order to test components such as a fuse to see if it is, of course, blown and you can't see any visible discoloration or burning, something like a multimeter is going to allow you to test that and see if it is working. So the first thing we need to do is we need to put our multimeter into continuity mode, and that is indicated by this little speaker symbol here at the bottom. So I'm just going to turn it all the way on to a multimeter mode. And then what we need to do is test to see if we have continuity with our probes. And we do that by simply touching the probes together and they beep, and that means there's a continuous connection. And something like a fuse, we want a continuous connection because that's going to allow power to pass through, and we need to hear that beep. So the first thing you always do is test your probes. If they beep, you know your probes are well. So let's test a fuse of an item. And here with me, I've just got a UK 3-pin plug. It's got a 13 amp fuse in there, and I want to test it to see if it is working or if it has blown. So I'm just going to remove this front cover and then I'll be back with you. Subscribe to enter our 500 subs competition to win up to £50 worth of Amazon gift vouchers. All you need to do is subscribe to enter. So here we have a 13 amp fuse in our plug. So let's zoom in and see exactly how this works. So again, this is a 13 amp fuse. You can see there's no discoloration or burning, but that doesn't mean a fuse is not blown. And in order to verify that it's not blown, we need to test it with a multimeter. So I'm just going to put one probe on one end, the other probe on the other. And as you can see, we've got a continuous line, which means that this fuse is not blown. Now, if I was to put it down and to test it, as you can see, we're getting a continuous line. But what happens when we have a fuse that is blown? I'm just going to show you that now in a second. Now, if this fuse was blown, if I was to touch this and this, it will not beep. And that would indicate a blown fuse, and then you will know you would need to replace this fuse. And that is basically how you use a multimeter to check if a fuse is blown or any component that requires continuity of a current or a signal to pass through. If it's broken, you know that component is faulty, and you can use continuity mode to check that out. Make sure you like this video, drop any comments down below if you've got any questions, and of course subscribe to the channel to enter our 500 subs giveaway where you can win up to £50 worth of Amazon gift vouchers. All you need to do to enter is hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and once we hit 500 subscribers, we will do a special video which will outline how the competition will go and who the winners are. So with that all said and done, I'll see you guys in the next video right here on RME TV. competition time, and this is your chance to win up to £50 worth of Amazon gift vouchers in our 500 subs giveaway. Once we reach 500 subs, we'll be giving away up to £50 worth of Amazon gift vouchers to one lucky winner, and all you have to do to enter is hit that subscribe button if you already have not. Once we hit that 500 subscriber landmark, we'll do a special video outlining the competition and the winner. So make sure you hit subscribe to be in the chance to win up to £50 worth of Amazon gift vouchers. Now back to the video.